What's up, YouTubers? King Dennis here with a plant propagation project. This is called ZZ plant. Not too familiar with the scientific name for them, but in regards to the Asian community, these are kind of like lucky plants, money plants, another money plant, feng shui, I guess you want to say. But really easy to propagate, although they take a while to fully grow. You can take leaf cuttings. I learned this last year from my plant propagation class, and who would have known that you can clone this through leaf cutting. So I'm going to go ahead and I dipped it in rooting hormone that you can get at Home Depot, Lowe's, wherever you want. But you want to make sure that when you go ahead and get the cutting from the plant, get the mature plant, and then you want to peel it off, so you try to get as much as this bottom part of the plant, because this is where it'll bulb up and produce roots. So I just go ahead and make sure the tip is moist, dip it in the rooting powder, rooting hormone, and I bury it maybe about 1/4 inch to 1 inch deep and pack it in. So again, this is called the ZZ plant. Just go ahead and dip it in rooting hormone and bury it about 1/4 inch deep, and I pack it. And just make sure you kind of provide moisture to this plant. And about, I would say, I think when I took the plant propagation, in about a couple weeks or 3 weeks, it had produced, at least by then, it had produced roots already. The one thing you want to remember is when you use your rooting hormone is not to go ahead and not to dip it in the actual bottle. Pour a little bit for yourself, dispose of it, or I put it in the pot, so then the water can run through it and push it towards the area where it needs to get roots. So again, this is the ZZ plant. Stay updated, and we'll see how this goes.